Oh boy, oh boy. What is it? This is the USB rechargeable engraving wood, stone, metal, plastic. Wrenches in the end of the engraving pen. You will need to pull it out. Ooh, it's powerful. Smart power off. Low noise. Outdoor portable. 3 level speeds. USB recharge. 25 watt. 5 to 25,000 R per minute. Diameter bits 2.35. So yeah, we got this on Amazon. Normally $19.99 free shipping, but I had a points, so it only cost me 11 bucks. Holy smokes, this looks like Dremel size actually. But hey, what do we got here? Got a whole pack of how do we get into it? Gobs of little bits. A mandrel, some Chinesium blades, probably some imitation cobalt drill bits. The screw wrench is in the end of the engraver. Comes in cool little colors. Directions for use. Workplace. Keep clean. And keep workplace clean and bright. It's easy to hide hidden dangers in chaotic and dark environments. Ooh, this is exciting. Electrical safety. Power tools must be fitted with sockets. Be sure to standardize operation. Avoid water and moisture. Personal safety. Keep awake while operating the power. Keep awake. Oh, Lord. Should that be in safety tips? I don't know. Keep awake while operating the power tools. Do not operate under the influence of fatigue, drugs, or alcohol, etc. Maintenance. Hand over your power tools to the maintenance personnel for maintenance. You must use the same parts to replace, disassemble by yourself. To give up the brand after sales support. Child protection. Keep power tools out of reach of children. This product is suitable for adults over 18 years old. Electric grinder uses a high-speed motor. The instructions and safety tips are not limited to what is written in this manual. Be sure to use it in a standardized and reasonable way. Great. Okay, enough of the directions. What else we got here? Oh, this is like a cool another bit. Got a lot of bits. Hey, a USB cable. And the grinder. Too much fun. I love this. The VQV YBXN Mini Engraver. Something was lost in translation there.
Right, let's grind.
Well, mainly I got this for cleaning solder mask and conformal coatings and stuff like that. I'll probably have to make some custom bit adjustments. Cool.